Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? They are a pair of an absolutely incredible earbuds. So this was sent over by a company called Cleer, and this is their ARC 4 Plus Open-Ear Earbuds. These things sound absolutely amazing. So once you open it up, you're naturally going to get a user manual that tells you all about the features. We're covering that right here in the video. You're also gonna get a USB to USB-C, a little charging cable. This is what you're gonna do to charge up the case. You're just gonna plug it into the back and then the earbuds charge within the case. If you're utilizing the case, you're gonna have a total of 34 hours of listening without having to charge this thing up again. The actual earbuds themselves are gonna last approximately 9 hours, so you got plenty of time. However, if the earbuds start to, they run out, for example, just pop them in the case for 10 minutes and you're gonna get a nice quick charge out of utilizing them again, which makes them great for flying on an airplane or traveling or anything like that. Now, as you can see, I have the white case here, very stylish looking. It comes in two colors currently, it's white and black. Once you open up the case, you can see you got the earbuds right there. Very easy, just go ahead and pop them out and then slide them on. Very, very comfortable to wear. They're very lightweight, which is one of the big reasons I love them. And one of the big things I have issues with is the earbuds that go into your ears. Those, they don't have a hard time staying in there. After a time, my ear kind of gets sore. If I go for a jog or running or anything, they have a tendency to pop out. Not with these guys. They sit here right on your earlobes. They're very secure, they're very lightweight, very comfortable to wear all day long, especially like if you're in a flight, you're going to Europe or something, like your 8-hour flight. They're very, very comfortable for wearing long period of time, which I absolutely love that aspect of them. Now, if you are working out and you'll say you're going for a run and it starts pouring rain, you're covered. You can actually even wear these in the shower because they have an IPX7 waterproof rating. That essentially means they can get completely wet. You just don't want to submerge them. If they fall in the pool, you're gonna be fine as long as you pull them out within 30 minutes. They're not meant to go swimming in, but they can get wet, which makes them great because you can handle sweat, you can handle like a pop-up rainstorm. They work very, very well with that. Now let's talk audio quality. The audio here is incredibly rich and it has a very deep bass sound, which is really surprising. So they come with the Snapdragon sound trip, which is what provides that great bass sound. Now, if you utilize their app, you're gonna have all the customizable features. You're gonna have the typical old school ones where you're gonna be able to select like jazz, rock, dance, all that kind of stuff, and it's gonna fine tune those. And then you even have a custom one where you can choose which decibels you want and make your own range. And it's a feature that you can have. However, I recommend that you utilize the Dolby Atmos feature. So these have built into it Dolby Atmos, which is an amazing sound, and they're also THX-certified, which is another great feature. Now, if you go and you select that Dolby Atmos button in their app, which is just the Cleer Plus app, it's gonna go ahead and set those up for you, and then you got two options. You got, if you're listening to music, you select that one. If you're watching a movie, you select that one. Basically, the difference is the movie one is gonna be more tailored to speaking and things like that. But the sound is great. You really feel immersive in the audio experience. Even though they're sitting here, you really hear the sound. However, you can hear what's going on around you. So if somebody does come up from you from behind or starts talking to you, you can hear them. You're not gonna get startled or anything like that, like you would if you had like the full-blown noise canceling headphones on. They do, however, also have I forget exactly what it's called, AV something, but it's where it's utilizing the mics and it's gonna adjust the volume based on the ambient sound around you. So if somebody's talking towards you, you're gonna hear that, but it's supposed to drown out the ambient sound. So if you're going from a quiet space into like a busy diner, for example, it's gonna increase the volume so you don't hear all just the low hum. And it works very, very well. You can choose to turn that setting on and off. They have all the health stuff. So if you wanna do basically remind you when to get up, you've been sitting too long, if you're looking straight forward, they got that in there. They have also in there head tracking, which is a nice feature. So if you're moving your head around, it feels like you're in a sphere, it knows that your head's moving around. You can also utilize the head tracking for answering phone calls. Yes, you can pair this to your phone and use these for absolutely clear phone calls. It has 4 mics built into it total, and it has wind canceling algorithms in there. So that's going to allow you, if you're out there walking around and the wind starts blowing, the person is going to hear you nice, crisp, and clear, even though they're on the side of your head. It's incredible how well they are coming in and nice and clear when utilizing it. And then you can use your head gestures to answer calls or say no and all that kind of stuff if you wish to do that. All of that's very customizable through the app. But overall, like I said, I've been very, very pleased with them. They sound amazing, very rich, great deep bass. If you are looking for an amazing pair of earbuds that are lightweight, comfortable to wear, and sound incredible, these are totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.